This is my Porsche Boxster that I bought from the salvage auction at the beginning of the year. Check out this engine. Woo! And bit by bit, video by video, we are going to repair this car. So the sun is finally out and I'm very excited about this because I'm ready to take the bumper off and fix or see what's going on with the radiators in the front, clean the front because there's a lot of rocks and debris and leaves stuck into the radiators. I need to clean it all up, and I'm going to fix the screw that is coming from underneath to the top. I need to find that screw and what's going on with it and why there is a screw there. T30. Ready to go now, just need to be pulled out. We are going to use T25. Going to use T25 to remove this piece of plastic trim so we can access the radiator. Wow, there's a lot of debris inside. Let me show you. Look how bad and compacted the debris is inside. I think it damaged radiator. Look how bad the situation is here. We need to fix that. I don't know if that's leak or just, I don't think it's leak, I think it's just from the mud. So we reached this stage. I think I'd like to remove this and clean behind it as well, just to see if there's any debris or anything like this behind it, or if it's leaking. At the moment it doesn't look like it's leaking, but it could do. So just want to make sure, and while I'm here, you know, why not? We are going to use vinyl on rubber care to protect it and make it nice. It is the next day and now I'm going to disassemble everything here and clear it out and clean all the plastic pieces, the carpet, everything, remove the screw. I looked at it yesterday, it doesn't look that bad, so I think we're alright. So that's how it looks like, nice and clean. And this is the screw, it's self-tapping screw that someone put so they can put this piece of trim here, the plastic. This is screw, it's just so you can hold this. I think it's done by mistake, just an honest mistake. So I'm going to have to remove it, but then even though it's protected, I'm going to seal it. I'm going to seal it just because I don't want it, you know, I don't want water to go in or moisture or whatnot. Even though it'll be protected under the bumper, still I feel better if I would to protect it. So I'm going to do that now.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
Right, so basically this is going to act like a plug, exactly like these ones, like a rubber plug. It can be easily removed or it can stay there and it's nice and smooth, no problem, just like the rest. Now we assemble, well actually clean more and assemble.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. kinda funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter.
And that's how it looked like. Just all done and clean. On the top, in here. How nice is that? Super dark. Wow. So nice and clean. All clean. Here, detailed everywhere. Inside out. So underneath all of this, by the way, it's all been taken care of in the previous videos if you didn't know. But of course the bumper is still missing, and the two pieces, one piece over here and one piece over here, which is this one here, still missing, and then we have that bit is missing. And at this point, of course, I have to put them back, but there is a change of heart. I don't want to put them back yet. Why? Well, I don't want to say why, if I'm honest with you. The reason why I don't want to say why is because I want to try something new, something I've never done before, and I would look like a fool if it doesn't work. Therefore, I'm gonna keep it a secret for now, but if it works, it will definitely be in the next video. So make sure to subscribe so you get notified on the next video. And for now, I'm going to leave the car in this situation right now, and I'll catch you up, guys, on the next one. Bye-bye.
And we all got dreams. We all want